Today we are going to make a beautiful, colorful, fresh spinach salad with a tangy homemade lemon salad dressing. And so we start with a bowl full of about 8 to 10 cups of fresh spinach. It's a very simple recipe. We've got a cup of shredded carrots, and I love to buy mine shredded already. It's so much easier than getting out that shredder and doing them by hand. We've also got 1/3 of a cup of pepitas, which make a wonderful crunchy addition, and 1/2 of a can of chickpeas or garbanzo beans. The benefit of this salad is that it could be an entree because with the beans and the edamame, you're getting plenty of protein. You're also getting a charge of fiber, which is great for colon health, lowering your cholesterol. And then we've got 2/3 of a cup of dried cranberries, and look at the beautiful colors in that. It's a beautiful fall salad. So there's the base of our salad, and then we're going to make this wonderful tangy homemade lemon dressing. We all know that you can make these with a little wire whip in a bowl, but my favorite way to make this dressing is using my salad cruet. And I'm going to add all the ingredients. We've got 1/2 of a teaspoon of pepper, 1/3 of a cup of fresh lemon juice, 1/2 of a cup of olive oil. See how easily that pops right in that cruet. 1/2 of a teaspoon of dry mustard, and 1/2 of a teaspoon of salt. All the ingredients are there. And then we're going to pop over and blend this up with my little home blender. And ta-da! So much easier than spending 20 minutes whipping it by hand. So we're ready to pour this on, and here we go. Isn't that beautiful? Fresh, tangy, homemade lemon vinaigrette. And with a little toss, we are ready to enjoy this spinach edamame salad.